In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zoom to Miro, making your collaborative experience seamless and efficient. If you've ever wanted to integrate these two powerful tools, you're in the right place. We'll walk through each step, ensuring nothing is left out so you can easily connect Zoom to Miro without any hassle. First, let's start by accessing your Miro board. Navigate to your desired Miro board and notice the plus button on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click this plus button. It will open up a menu with various options, and from here you want to click on the option labeled Marketplace. This is where you'll find all the integrations available with Miro. Once you are in the Marketplace, seek out an option that says Browse More Integrations. Clicking this will take you to a more comprehensive list of applications and integrations that Miro can work with. Now in this list of integrations, use the search bar to type in Zoom. This will help you quickly locate the Zoom integration within the Marketplace. Now that you've found it, look for the Miro for Zoom listing and click on it. This will bring up details about the Miro integration with Zoom, and you'll see an option to connect. Clicking this button initiates the actual connection process between Miro and Zoom. At this point, you'll be prompted to log into your Zoom account. Make sure to enter your credentials to proceed. After logging in, a permission window will appear asking whether you'd like to allow this integration to use your shared access permissions. Click on Allow this app to use my shared access permissions, and then choose Allow again to finalize the permissions. Zoom will prompt you to open your Zoom Meetings app at this juncture. Follow the instructions and open your Zoom app. Once you're in your Zoom application, there will be a prompt to sign in to Miro. Click this and you'll see an option to add and allow the Miro app for Zoom. Make sure to grant the permissions as this is crucial for the integration to function properly. After allowing the integration, Zoom will prompt you to open the app once again. Once you're there, you'll have the opportunity to choose a board from your available Miro boards. Select the one you wish to embed and then hit Embed Board. This action allows your chosen Miro board to be accessed directly within Zoom. With the board embedded, you and your collaborators can now access your Miro board directly from your Zoom meetings. To find your board, head over to My First Board Miro or any board you've chosen to work with. Now everything is all set up and your Miro board is fully integrated and accessible through Zoom, making collaboration a breeze.